Hi children, today exercise 8.4. Look, it's the first question. Express as rupees using decimal. Here paisa given, then this paisa convert into rupees. We know 100 paisa. Then question number 1. It's A. Then look, 100 paisa is equal to rupees 1. So 1 paisa is equal to 1 paisa is equal to how many rupees? 1 by 100. 1 by 100 rupees is equal to, we can write in decimal form. What is its decimal form? 0 decimal. How many 0? 1, 2 0. So 1 of then 2 digits. Decimal after 2 digits. Here only 1 digit, so we put 1 0 also. Then 0 decimal 0 1 rupees. Is it clear? Here first question look, A 5 paisa. This 5 paisa convert into rupees. So this paisa multiply by 1 by 100. Paisa multiply by 1 by 100. So we can write 5 paisa is equal to 5 into 1 by 100 is equal to, we can write 5 into 1 5, then 100 is equal to how many rupees? 0 decimal 0 5 rupees. Is it clear? Then next 75 paisa. B 75 paisa. So we can write 75 into 1 by 100 is equal to 75 by 100 is equal to rupees how many? 0 decimal 7 5. Is clear? The next question, question number D. Look, question number D, 50 rupees, 50 rupees 90 paisa. Then 50 rupees 90 paisa we can write 50 plus 90 paisa is equal to 50 plus this how many paisa? This already rupees, 50 rupees. So 50 plus this 90 paisa. 90 paisa means 90 into 1 by 100. Then is equal to 50 plus 90 by 100. 90 by 100 decimal, or we can write 90 by 100 is equal to 50 plus 0 9 0 or decimal 90. This 0 is not compulsory to write here, because if we here 0 is here and 0 is not here, so value is not changed. So we can write what is 50 rupees 50 decimal 9. It's clear? The next look here, E 725 paise. 725 paise, 725 paise multiply by 1 by 100 is equal to, here paise convert into rupees, multiply by which number? 1 by 100. Then here 725 paise, so 725 by 100 is equal to 7.25 rupees. 7.25 is clear. The next question, look at question number 2. Express as meter using decimal. Here centimeters are given. Centimeter given. This centimeter convert into meter. So we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we can write 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? 1 by 100 meter. Means centimeter convert into meter multiply by 1 by 100. Then what is its decimal form? 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. Then here 50 centimeter. First question look, 50 centimeter convert into meter. So this multiply by which number? 1 by 100 means centimeter convert into meter multiply by 1 by 100. So 50 into 1 by 100 is equal to 50. 15 into 1, 50 by 100 is equal to how many meter? 0.15 meter. Is it clear? Then next 2 meter 45 centimeter. Which question is this? Question number C. 2 meter 45 centimeter. Here 2 meter means already meter. So this 2 plus 45. Then multiply 1 by 100 is equal to 2 plus 45 by 100 is equal to 2.45 meter. Is it clear? 2.45 meter. The next question number 3 look, express as centimeter using decimal. Here millimeter given, millimeter convert into centimeter. Question number 3. Question 3. Here millimeter convert into centimeter. We know 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Then this we can write in decimal form is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Here look, question number 3 first. 5 millimeter is equal to, here millimeter convert into centimeter multiply by 1 by 10. So this is how many millimeter? 5 millimeter. So this 5 multiply by 1 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Here look, millimeter convert into centimeter. It's next one more questions. Look, 100. Question number C. Look, 164 millimeter. 164 millimeter. Look, millimeter convert into centimeter multiply by 1 by 10. So 164. multiply by 1 by 10 is equal to 164 by 10. Here which number? This is 10. So how many 0? 1 after 1 0. So from the right side 1 digits before decimal, 60.4 centimeter. Is it clear? The next question number 4. Fourth question, look. Fourth question. Read the question number 4. Read the question. Express as kilometer using decimal. Here meter given. So meter convert into kilometer. Then meter convert into kilometer. So we know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. We know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to how? So 1 meter is equal to how many kilometer? 1 by 1000 kilometer. This we can write in decimal form. Then how many 1, 2, 3? So 1 after 1, 2, 3 digits before decimal. Then what is decimal 0.001 kilometer. Here 8. Question number 8. 8 meter convert into kilometer. So 8 meter is equal to, look, this 8 multiply by which number? 1 by, means here meter convert into kilometer. So multiply by 1 by 1000. 100 not 1000. Then 1 by 1000 is equal to what is 8 by 1000 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3 digits. So 800, 3 digits before decimal, then 0. So answer here 0.008 kilometer. This is kilometer. Is it clear? The next 8,888. Question number C. 8,888 meter is equal to, we can write, listen, 8,088 into 1 by 1000 is equal to 8,888 divided by 1000 is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 8 decimal 888 kilometer. 8 decimal 888 kilometer. The next question number 5. Express kg using decimal. Here gram given. So gram convert into kilogram. How many gram is 1 kilogram? We know 1. How many? 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. 1 kilo. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kg is equal to 0.001 kg. Is clear? The next, what is first question? 2 gram. This 2 gram convert into kilogram, means multiply by 1 by 1000. So 2 into 1 by 1000 is equal to 2 by 1000. Then what is its decimal form? Is equal to 0 decimal. How many? 1, 2, 3. Here only 1 digit. So how many 0 we put here? 2 0. Then decimal 002 kg. The next this question A, and the next question number D. Look, 5 kg 8 gram. 5 kg 8 gram. So 5 kg plus 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 1 by 1000 is equal to 5 kg plus 8 by 1000 is equal to 5 kg plus 8 by 1000 0 decimal 008 kg. Then is equal to 5 decimal 008 kg. Is it clear? Then this exercise 8.4. You should write your fair copy. Okay, thank you.